हमें हमें इस क्वेश्चन में वी नॉट की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है। हाउ टू फाइंड वी नॉट। तो फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे कि वी नॉट हमें जो कैलकुलेट करनी है तो क्या क्या वैल्यू दी हुई है रेजिस्टेंस की, उसके सर्किट को देखेंगे, हम क्या अप्रोच कर सकते हैं। पहले हम देखेंगे क्या देखेंगे, ये जो नेटवर्क है हमारा ओपैम्प है विद द फीडबैक, एंड दिस इज ए नेगेटिव फीडबैक ओपैम्प। Hence here we have to know that assumptions is inside internal current at the inverting and non-inverting terminal will be zero, and the virtual short circuit concept will be utilized at the node A. Using virtual short circuit, this is the virtual short circuit voltage at node A will be zero. And after that we have to draw the current flow. We have to assume the current directions. Suppose this is the current direction is I1, and this is the current direction in this resistor is I2, and this is the current direction in this resistance is I3, and this is the current direction in this resistance is I4. Then here we give a node is B. Then at using KCL what we know, KCL at node A, I1 plus I2 equal to 0, and what will be the I1 equal to 2 minus 0 upon 10 plus I2 equal to VB minus 0 upon 10 equal to 0. Here we have to find out 2 upon 10 equal to, take the opposite of the equal to symbol, then this is the minus VB upon 10. Then 10 से 10 is cancel out, 10 से 10 cancel out. Then what will we do? VB is equal to minus 2 volt. Now apply KCL using KCL at node B. Node B पे KCL यूज करेंगे तो what will we get? I2 equal to I3 plus I4. What will be the I2? I2 equal to voltage VB minus VA. VA will be 0 upon I2 equal to resistance 10. I3 equal to 0 minus VB upon resistance value is 5 ohm plus I4 equal to, what will be the V0 minus VB upon 10. What will be the value after simplification? VB upon 10 equal to minus VB upon 5 plus this is known as V0 by 10 minus VB upon 10. We will simplify this equation. VB by 10 plus VB by 10, what will be the VB by 10 plus VB by 5 plus VB by 10 equal to V0 by 10. What will we get? Take the LCM or take the LCM 10 VB plus 2 VB plus VB equal to V0 by 10. Then this is 10 to 10 is cancel out. And what will be the VB, 2 VB, 3 VB, 4 VB? 4 VB equal to V0. And since VB equal to minus 2 volt, then V0 equal to 4 into VB. VB equal to 2 minus 2 equal to minus 8 volt. V0 equal to minus 8 volt. This is the answer. If any doubt, you can ask in the comment sections, and for more update, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.